Hello my cookies. Today we are making keto-friendly buffalo chicken meatballs. Let's cook. Of course we gotta have some bird, so here I have some ground chicken. To it I'm going to add in some grated onion and celery, and I use my cheese grater to grate them. I lost the clip, of course, of me adding in the green onions, but here I'm adding onion and garlic powder and now some seasoned salt. In a separate little bowl I have some softened cream cheese. And to that, I'm going to add in a beaten egg. Now just mix it together well. I found that using a whisk is a lot easier. So do that and then just pour it into the chicken mixture. Now mix it together really well. And then we're going to sprinkle in some almond flour. Since this is keto friendly, we're not using regular flour, we're using almond flour. And you can also use some ground up pork rinds if you are a pork eater. Then, using about a tablespoon of the meat mixture, form your meatballs, then bake on 400 for 25 minutes or until done. Now place your meatballs into a bowl and pour in some buffalo sauce. Give them a gentle toss to coat them, and then honey, you will have my keto-friendly buffalo chicken meatballs. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. You can dip them in ranch, but I like to drizzle it all on top. I love ranch. Or just use blue cheese as well. And don't forget to garnish with a little bit of green onion to make it cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more keto recipes, be sure to let me know in the comment section. I love you cookies. Until next time. Be blessed.